We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 11. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening. Now we have to make that a zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors. We just increase its size and change its color. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors. So before going to start this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment, we have how many points? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 points in today's assignment, and 21 means last point is just save, close, then just simply exit Excel and submit. Okay, so that is not graded one. So we have just 20 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today assignment step by step, so you may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that we are solving XP25 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors, and here is project description. Okay, so you are development officer for a university. You manage a portfolio of important donors who contribute financially to different areas with the university. Okay, you categorize the donors based on college or school for which they want their donation associated. You recently downloaded the portfolio to an Excel workbook. Based on the way data downloads from the main database, you want to format the text for readability and to make it easier for you to analyze. In addition, you will create an advanced filter to review the list of donors for particular college. Finally, you want to create lookup area to look up data for specific donor and create a summary section. So all these are simply description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so till now we have solved, just like we just discussed, the topic of today assignment and project description. Now we are moving toward graded part. Okay, steps to perform, and here is instructions. So question number 1, start Excel. Okay, then download and open the file named XP Excel chapter 11 ML2 donor that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Yeah, that is also done. So first of all, we have to open Excel file. Okay, we call Excel file or we call solution file. Okay, and you may see our last name is there, that is added. Okay, so question number 1 is done, in which we have to open our start file and verify that our name is there, last name is there in the start of the file. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 2 after solving question number 1. Use the donors worksheet through step 13. Okay, it means that from 1 to 13 step we have to work on donors worksheet, mean there we have to work. Okay, So the first column displays the name of college or school such as art or business associated with each. You want to assign 3-character code of each college and use the code to attach existing donor's ID, create unique ID. Okay, so we just display that one. So that was just simply instruction about question number two. The our main part or greater part of question number two is start from here. In cell B7, insert a left function. Okay. Now first we have to move towards cell B7. Here we write B7, press enter, and there we write a left function. Okay. Then which column we have to extract the first 3 character from college name in cell E7. Okay, so our main focus is on cell E7, and first 3 character mean we write just 3, then close parenthesis and press enter, so we get the result. Okay. Then copy the function to the range B8 to B34. Now we have to double click on there, so that will be automatically filled, and you may see, yeah, that is done. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to move towards cell B7, and there we have to insert left function to extract first 3 characters from the college name in cell E7. Then copy function to the range B8 to B34. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. The full name column display last and first name of the donors. You want to display last name in a separate column. Okay, so in a cell sorry, just a minute. In cell E7, use a text before function. Okay, so first we have to move to cell E7 here and write text before function. Okay, then last name from first donor, full name. So we have to open this formula. So last name. Okay, to extract the last name from a first donor, full name. Okay, so we just, okay, so here we use the function, this one. Simply press enter. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to copy the function to the range E8 to E34. So simply double click on there, so that will be done. Yes, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we just move towards cell E7, use a text before function to extract last name from first donor, full name. Copy function to the range E8 to E34. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The address column contains street address, city names, and state abbreviations. To manage the address list better, you will separate the data into 3 columns. In cell G7, enter text split function to split first address into 3 fields: street, city, and state abbreviation. Okay, so we just move towards cell G7 there, and there we use equal, and what function we have to in text text split function. Then split first address into three field. Okay, this address into three field. Okay, so we use a text split function there. Here we just simply use a text split function. Then this one, our main focus on address, then comma and this one, then close parentheses and press enter and get the result. Okay, yeah, now you may see a split first address into three fields: street, city and state abbreviation. Okay, so okay, this one, now it's okay. So then what we have to do, we have to copy the function to GA to G34. Yeah, that is done. Then hide the column F. Now we have to hide the column F. Where is F? This one is F. Select this one, right click and hide this one. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we just move towards cell G7, and there we include text split function to split first address into three fields: street, city and state abbreviation. Copy the function to the range G8 to G34, then hide column F. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4 we get this result. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 5. So now we are moving toward question number 5. The college and school names display in all capital letter in column A. You want to display the name in upper and lower case. Okay, so in cell J7 insert a text function that displays the college name from A7 with just first name, first letter capitalized, such as engineering. Copy the function to cell J8 to J34. So first we move toward cell J7. Here we write proper function. Okay, that will make, and which column we have to attack. Okay, on there, then close parenthesis. Sorry, yeah, now you may see here engineering, every letter in engineering is capital, but now after using a function, now first letter is capital, all other letter are in a lowercase or not capital form. Then copy the function to range J34 to J8 to J34. Yeah, done. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, in cell J7 insert a text function that displays the callee name from cell E7 with just first letter capitalized, such as engineering. Then copy the function to range G8 to J34. Now we are moving toward question number 6. To analyze the donor's record, You are ready to create criteria and output ranges. You will enter condition to find record for donor to the College of Business who donated $15,000 or $15,000 or more. Okay, so that was simply instruction about question number 6. Our main part of question number 6 start from here. Copy the range A6 to K6 to cell E37. So first we have to select the range A6 to K6, press enter, copy the range. Then where we have to paste that range? We have to paste that range in E37. Here we write E37, press enter and paste, control V, okay, done. Then to create a column label criteria range, yes, we have done that. Then type business in cell J38 and greater than or equal to 15,000 in cell K38. Okay, so now we just copy this business from here and write there in J38. Here we write J38, press enter and paste that one. Then we just copy this one and paste that in K38 here. Yes. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we just copy the range A6 to K6 to cell A37 to create a column labels for criteria range. Then type business in cell J38 and greater than or equal to 15,000 in cell K38. We have done that and we get the result till question number 6. Now we are moving toward question number 7. You are ready to create the output area and perform the advanced filter. Okay, so copy the column labels from the range A37 to K37 to cell A41. We have to copy this range from here. Okay, copy this one. Then where we have to paste? We have to paste that in A41. Okay, then to create column labels for output, then perform advanced filter by copying the record to output area. Okay, now we have to create advanced filter there. So for that we have to select this table first, then click on data, advanced filter. Okay, then criteria range. For criteria range we have to use this one. Okay, then copy to, and then we have to use this one. Simply press OK and we have done that one. Okay, yes. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7 we have to copy the column labels from the range A37 to K37 to cell A41. Then to create a column labels for output range, perform the advanced filter by copying the record to the output area. So question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12 up to 20 question. Okay. So you may see we have solved almost half of assignment in today's video. Instead, we just discussed the name of project, that is XP25 Excel Chapter 11 ML2 donors. Then we describe project description. Then we solve question number 1 step by step. Then question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we just simply discuss question number 8. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100% and your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Remember that your project will be ready in next 30 minutes, price will be reasonable and marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available, I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 to 40 minutes maximum. Price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 11 ML2 donors. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.